Hey folks, welcome in this tutorial. This is Saurabh, and in this tutorial we are going to install the editor for Python. So as we have already installed Python ideally in our first tutorial of this series, so now that was a time consuming that every time we are editing anything in our code we have to save first, and after that we will be able to run that project. But in editor there is a lots of profit which is time consuming, and it will give you output at once. So by using editor you will be able to make your coding fast, and you will be able to become a fluent programmer with the help of editor. So there are lots of editor for Python, but we'll use a PyCharm, which is now a trending and fast growing editor for Python. So for installation step we'll go on the Google and write there a link, that is download PyCharm, and it will redirect us to this link, and we'll click on this. And here there is a three options, that is Windows, Mac, Linux. The one operating system which you are using, if that is Windows, just you are at the right page. If Mac, just click on this, and if Linux, just click on this. So I am using Windows, so I will go to this page and just see these two options. One is professional and other is community. So professional is not for us, just go for community, click on the download option, and here it will start downloading. After few moments you will see that it has started. So it will take some time because my network is little bit slow. So here it has been started. So I have already downloaded the PyCharm. So I will go to the directly file, and here it is a PyCharm. So just click on this to install. Click on the run. Yes, and it will ask you to click next. Here it will ask for you if you have any past version of PyCharm. So if you want to uninstall that, then you click on that option. Here where you want to save your PyCharm file, so if you choose your path, I will choose my path in money. Okay, click on next, and here there will be some option. With first option is create desktop shortcut. If you want to create a shortcut for PyCharm to open, here it will ask for you to choose a Python version. Just leave it and click on next, and here it will ask for you to install. Just click on install, and it will start installing the PyCharm for you. After installation you will see the page will be like this. Here will be the project from where you can create your project, and here will be at some title bars. Just click on file for creating new project. Click on new project. Here you can change your file name or project name, and if you want to change the location, click on this, and where you want just write that. And here it is a print interpreter. So we have already installed ideally, so we don't need any interpreter. It will already search for that. So here click on create, and it will ask for you to open this project into this window or new window. So this window will be right, and here it has been created. So we want to create our project. So just click on the project, right click on the project, and just go to the new, and here will be the Python file. So the one which you want to give name, just give project1 and click on enter. It will create a Python file for us, and here we can run our program. So I will show you something. A is equal to 10, B is equal to 20, print a plus b, and after clicking on this we are seeing that we will able to get the output at once. So without saving it we are able to get the output, and at any time you want to run it you can run. So we'll write c is equal to 10 stand, just click on green button and it will give output at once. And also if you will write a small code, if there will be any auto create line, then it will create a code for you automatically. So now I will show you something. If you want to change your theme, then just go on setting, and here in appearance and behavior there will be one option appearance. Just go on this and here is a theme option for you. You can click on this and here three option you will see. First is a dark villa, which is dark mode, high contrast and IntelliJ. So the one which you want, just click and select that. I like IntelliJ, so I will go with IntelliJ. Click on OK and it will be IntelliJ mode. So hope you all understand the steps for installing the PyCharm, and you all are able to know now that why a PyCharm editor is very important for a Python programmer. So now this is much for you to go with the Python programming languages with this editor. Hope you all understand and get this very well, and also you enjoy it. So thank you for watching. We'll meet in next session of tutorial.